Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. And today we're going to be making a spinach pesto with pasta and salmon cooked in a parchment bag. So we have our oven preheated to 375 degrees. We've got our boiling water for our pasta, and we're going to drop our pasta in first. All right, get our pasta going. All right, while that starts to work, we've got salt, pepper, drizzled the salmon fillets with olive oil. We're going to put these inside of our parchment bag. Okay, now what you want to do is fold the ends over. That allows the steam to trap. And we're going to pop them in a 375 degree oven for probably 15 minutes, maybe 20 tops, depending on the size of your fillet. So we're just going to watch those close. We're going to make our pesto for our pasta. So we have a lot of our classic ingredients here. Got our food processor, and inside of there I've already drizzled some oil, some salt, some pepper, and we have our nuts in here. You can use pine nuts, walnuts, almonds, anything you like. And we've got our spinach. You can kind of tear it a little bit to help it fit into your processor. All right. Some parm. And can't forget the garlic cloves. Some lemon juice. All right, I'm going to put a little bit more oil on top. All right, we're going to pulse this up. All right, nice and bright green. Just what we're looking for. Right. All right, we can check our pasta. Just a couple more minutes there. All right, so our noodles are where we want them. We're ready to take them to the sink and drain them. And those can hang out while we wait for our salmon to finish. Should be just a few more minutes. All right, time's up on our salmon. Pull it out. You want to be really careful when opening this bag because steam gets trapped. All right, looks good. So we will plate this up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.